Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to contact customer service in Shein application on an Android device. Well, knowing how to contact customer service in your Shein app ensures that you have access to assistance and support when you need it, whether it is for order inquiries, product information, returns, technical support, or providing feedback. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, go ahead and open Shein application on your device. Okay, so in this page, you can click profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, look for customer service icon at the top right corner and then tap on it. Okay, so now you will be shown the several common reasons about the specific problem, even it is about order issues, delivery, return and refund, and many others. But here you can also be connected directly with Shein customer service by tapping this icon. Okay, so now you can describe your specification problem here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to contact customer service in Shein application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.